Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across this channel, can you do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime I put out an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Please, every strategy I post using either Forex pair or synthetic pairs, they are price action. That means if it works on currency pair, it will definitely work on uh, synthetic indices, in as much as everything is based on price. But mind you, in my videos, if I don't tell you this one is a particular strategy for this, you can apply it for both currency and synthetic indices. Because sometimes when I post strategy, some of you will come to my inbox and start asking if the strategy is for Forex or if it's for currency pair or if it is for synthetic indices. Please also know that every mobile strategy is for scalping. So if you are using any mobile strategy, you are only scalping the market. That means you are only taking opportunity of the current trend on the current time frame. Exactly. So don't hold too long except you understand technical analysis. That means how you can analyze the movement of price from a particular point of view. Then if you have that knowledge, then you can hold your trade a bit longer. But if you are not that good in technical analysis, understanding the trend and breaking it down, then always cap when the formation or the conditions are met on any particular time frame you are using. Avoid greed and don't open too many positions, most especially those of you who are still new to trading. Trading is a business, not a platform where you come to gamble. If you handle it as a gambling platform, then you will definitely lose your money. But if you handle it as a business where you only take entries where opportunities are given, then you will see yourself scaling gradually in the business. So please, and now, if you really want to make consistent money, watch out for my millionaire strategy, where I explain in details how you can use softwares to track movement of price. Even though you don't understand price action, the way I have explained it, you will just follow it and definitely you will always make consistent profit. Though there's no strategy that is 100% accurate. So the assurance is that you will make more winning than loss. That is the main reason why I urge those of you who are still new to try out the strategy. Yes, you will make more wins than loss. So the moment you start making more win, you are making 10 win, 2 loss, then it means you are doing well. But you are making 3 loss, 2 win, or 3 loss, 1 win, you are not winning at all. So if you really want to make profit, that means you want to make consistent profit, watch out my millionaire strategies. I explain how to use software. I did not hide anything. So you shouldn't be skeptical about what if you get it or this. No. I've explained in details. I made more than 2-3 videos explaining how it works. So it is left for you to get it, then get the full details and probably a guide on how to go about it. So it's on the channel. And when you are done, if you want to chat with me, my number is always in the description below. You can chat with me on any area you're not clear, either on the free channel, free strategies I post, or probably on the millionaire strategy that I talked about. So whichever one, my number is always on the description. You can chat me anytime. Once I get your message, I will respond ASAP. So that is that on that. Then today I'm also going to be showing you another unique strategy you are going to be using or you can use to make more money on any of these pairs, be it Forex or synthetic indices. Exactly. Please apply as explained. Don't overdo and don't assume. When the settings or conditions are not met, don't enter trade. When the conditions are met, execute your trade and always apply risk management. That means put stop loss where stop loss is ought to be and take profit where top profit is supposed to be. You don't hold it too long to make the whole money one day. It is not done that way. So first things first, you add the indicators on the charts, and if you want to do that, these are the following procedures. For those of you who are new, you click on this icon here. When you click on that icon, it takes you direct to where the indicators are. So in the main chart, we have just one indicator, which is the moving average 50. Applied method simple, apply to close, no level. Then you click on save. Now to apply this in the one, you click on the F plus sign in the main chart. Then you scroll down to oscillators and you add your MACD. Your MACD should have these settings: EMA 149, that is the fast EMA. The slow EMA should be 150. Your MACD SMA should be 15. Apply to should be close. Your main should be any color which is lighter. Then your signal should be your background color. Then you click on save. Apply the second indicator, which is the envelope period of 5, shift 0, deviation 0.008, method linear weighted. Then apply to first indicator data. The lower band should be any color of your choice, and then you should use one peg side. Then the upper band should be 4, and then make sure you use any color of your choice. You click on save. The third one is the alligator. The alligator is the default settings, but what we are going to change is the method and the apply to. Let the method be smoothed. Apply to should be first indicator data. Is that clear? First indicator data. Then your jaw, teeth, and lower style should be any of the color of your choice. After that, you click on save. Then lastly, we add the relative strength index with a period of 1, close. The style should be your background color. Now the levels should be 20, 80, 10, 50, then 90. 80, 10, 50, 20, then 90. Then click on save. Now in the 80 and level 90, which is the premium zone, we are looking for sell opportunity, while the 10 and the 20 we are looking for, which is the discount zone, we are looking for opportunity to buy. The level 50 is the equilibrium. At this point, we take our what? We take profit at such zone. Exactly. Now, you can use it on any pair. This is on Boom 1000. So, what are the conditions for buy? The condition for buy is when your envelope is crossing the alligator. This is your envelope with the color of light blue and then black. Once it's crossing the alligator in level 10 and level 20, and your price is above the 50 moving average, then you open for buy. Probably you put your stop loss at the swing low. Is that clear? Now this is boom. You should know that you don't hold too long. Once it give you good profits, you execute the market. Look, immediately the conditions are met at this point. Because this is the area where you will have taken your buy. This is it. Now if you should trace it up, this is when you open for buy. Or probably you allow price to come closer to the 50 moving average so that you open for buy, and when it gives you good profit, you quickly close and wait for another opportunity again. You can use any time frame, doesn't stop you, probably from 5 minutes and above, but I usually advise people to take 15 minutes because the higher the time frame, the more accurate the signal will be. So you hold, and when you are through, you make profit, you close immediately so that you don't give them back what you've gotten from them. Now, this is the same condition for sell. This is the point whereby you take your sell trade. This is where we have the envelope crossing the alligator, and it is crossing below level 80. So at that point, we notice price is where below the 50 moving average, indicating that there will be lesser pressure for spike up. Even though there's spike, it will cover up immediately as time goes on. So in such situation, you open for what? Sell. You open for sell. So when you open for sell, you start uh, you start holding the trade pending when you meet your daily target or probably your area of exit. So this applies to every pair. It doesn't matter if it is only boom or crash. You can see immediately you have your envelope crossing above the moving average in level 20, which is the discount zone, then you execute your buy opportunity. So when you use this method very well, definitely you see profit. You can't use it the proper way and then start lamenting. No, it is only when you open and you are holding the trade too long, maybe you want to make millions in just one shoot. And when it gives you sell also, you can see it applies to all, any kind of pair you are using. Any kind of pair you are using. So you definitely see outcome. This is volatility 25. Exactly. Volatility 25. So you can see, in as much as it has not given you, and once it gives you the condition for sell, if it has not given you a reversal condition, that means probably at the area of the buy zone, still hold, but mind you, don't open too many positions to avoid your account being shut down. You understand what I mean by your account being shut down? Because when you open to position, synthetic indices are very volatile. So if you open too many position, just little drop down can end up closing your whole account. Then in Forex, mind you, be aware of the news economic calendar. Make sure that before you open trades, you are aware probably when there's going to be news, and if it's not going to be favorable that time, don't open any trade, even if the conditions are met, so that you don't end up regretting your actions. So these are, for today, this is the strategy. You can see where this is where we got a good buy setup, and see what happened to price. So always be patient for price to give you the conditions properly before you go. And mind you, you are scalping, don't hold for too long. You see, don't hold for too long, so that when you have little drawdown, your account doesn't shut you down totally. See it? So this is how the strategy works, guys. Please try this out and then let me know in my comments in the comment section if it was okay or not. Thanks, and please don't forget the premium, the millionaire strategy, because that is what can keep you consistently. These trades might not be that consistent because of those of you who are new, who don't know probably where price is heading to. Is that clear? So you can use this one to scalp and make money for yourself, but if you want something more confidential and accurate, then don't hesitate to subscribe for the millionaire strategy. Please share this video. Many of you are just watching and yet you have failed to subscribe. You have failed to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button, put your notification bell, then everything is okay. Once I post any video, you'll be among the first to be notified. Is that clear, guys? Cheers, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video.